Is that your new potty? Can you say potty?
Potty.
Yeah. Are you going to use that to go potty?
No.
No. You're not? Are you going to go poop in there?
No poop.
Yeah. Are you going to go pee in there?
Pee.
Yeah. Poop and pee in the potty. Does that sound like fun?
Daddy.
Yeah. Daddy goes pee in the potty.
Pee.
Yeah. He goes pee in the big potty.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
How do you stand by the potty and go potty? Like Daddy. Oh, you're going to stand on it? Good job, buddy. You're a smart little potty user. Yay! Good boy! Oh, it's kind of hard, huh?